may math ano.
Malapit lang din yun.
Sa OR.
Oo.
Sila diba? Hindi ako pero pang isang dao lang.
Ito may wait na ano.
Ikot.
Ikot. Taas ng paa.
UPOU welcome as MB2. Known for his active lifestyle and commitment to health and fitness.
Real na real, let's all welcome cause it's none other than Kuya Kim Atienza. Maraming salamat sa ating dalawang MC.
I'm really proud that you guys are here today and malaking bagay na nandito kayo ngayon. Galingan niyo. Huwag mo na mag-jowa.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi guys. Today we're trying out. Ano ba ito? Cafeteria nila. Unang kagat. Tigas? Wala pa naman. Angels! Sa gitna pa. Kailangan malaki yung kagat mo. Try mo. Alis na yung papel. Yan kasama sa ano.
Pati yung tinapay.
Wow! Please give a round of applause.
You because yeah, I don't wanna be like you. Nah, I just wanna be like me. Nah, I don't wanna be like you. Nah, I just wanna be like nah. I don't wanna be like you. Nah, I just wanna be like me.
So at ipapakilala ko na ang ating second speaker. This person, known as the Blessed Bee on TikTok, is a spiritual practitioner and content creator who uses tarot.
Nararamdaman niyo na ba yung pagiging kabado, pagiging medyo restless kasi if you understand na very exciting time to for you.
Together with the one and only kami sa doon ng bayan, and I believe in the saying, the more the baby, the better the manifestation. Kaya JR, lagi para sa bayan.
Majoha. Sino ulit nagsabi nun? Sa PBB? Ay, di ba? Ito ma'am, yung stock ko. Abot ko yan siya.